Good morning. So let us discuss about the basic concepts of accounting. So what is accounting? So financial accounting, we are dealing with financial accounting. So in it, what is accounting? First we have to know what is the meaning of accounting. So we know in every business there will be sometimes an individual or sometimes a group of people who form together to form or to constitute a business, and in that business they may invest a lot of money like capital, then they'll invest many other infrastructures, everything, and they may sometimes hire employees, so and so. So always there are some transactions or some processes happening in every business. So those transactions have to be properly managed or accounted. That's why the term accounting has become popular. So now let us see what is the meaning of accounting. Okay, so here accounting is according to the AICPA. AICPA is American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. That is AICPA. According to AICPA, what is the definition of accounting is given here. It is splitted like this. It is actually one sentence. Accounting is the art of, that sentence goes like this. According to AICPA, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So, the explanation of this definition is that accounting is the art of, first of all, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing. Recording, what is recording? Recording means keeping in account or keeping up to date records or up to date data. That is what is recording. Then classifying. Classifying means classifying different into different sections or into different categories. That is what is classifying. And then summarizing. Summarizing means once we have recorded the data, then we have to group the data or classify the data. Then we have to summarize the data. Summarize means we have to make a conclusion or make a summary of the data we have recorded. So accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing. How? In a significant manner. Recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner, in a particular important manner. Then, and in terms of money, transactions and events. In accounting or in business, the main concern or the aim of the businessman is to make profit. There everything is dealing with money, transactions and events. Everything is dealing with cash or events or some events or transactions. It refers to same thing. That means all the transactions related to a business are through or are more are through money. So in a significant manner, in terms of, it will be these transactions or these data will be mostly in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character. Every transaction in the organization will be having, or at least the few parts of the transaction will be of financial character, or it is related to money and interpreting the results thereof. So once we have recorded, classified and summarized the data, then we should interpret the results thereof. Means we have recorded it, we have classified it, we have summarized it, then we have to make a conclusion or we have to make a study and then we have to interpret a result. Mainly, this interpreting the result means ascertaining where it is profit or loss. So, in between there are few processes which happen while we invest the business and how it is converted into profit or loss. In between there are a huge processes happening, and that processes are altogether named as accounting. Okay, so this is the meaning of accounting. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Okay. Now let us discuss which are the branches of accounting. There are mainly there are a lot many branches of accounting, mainly financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, etc. So in this we are dealing with financial accounting. Financial accounting means there we record transactions and we summarize the financial results, or we find out the financial position of the company, and we make it available to the interested users. That is financial accounting. Then cost accounting means there more in financial accounting we mostly focus on finding out the profit or loss and making it or interpreting it to the stakeholders. In cost accounting, the main aim is to reduce the cost. Then another is management accounting. Okay, these are the different types of accounting. There are also many other branches of accounting. Then another is objects of accounting, objectives of accounting. First one we have already discussed. Accounting means a recording of business transaction. So a main object of accounting is recording the business transactions. In a business, on a daily basis, there are a variety of transactions taking place. So all those transactions have to be recorded properly. So that is the basic object of accounting. Another objective is to provide information to stakeholders. So who are stakeholders of a company? Stakeholders of a company means those interested parties to a company or the interested users of a business. There are different types of stakeholders in a firm. For example, different stakeholders are shareholders, then creditors, debtors, then suppliers, customers, everyone, all those persons who are related in some way or who play some part of some role in the organization or in its activities, or who are interested in the progress or in the process of the business, they are called stakeholders. So we have to provide information. Information means those informations we have found out, or those results we have found out after doing different process or calculations, or what are the results, profit or loss. All those informations we have to make it available to the stakeholders. So that is another objective of accounting. We categorize the different data, we record it, we categorize, we summarize, and we interpret the results from the transactions, and we have to make it available. Those information we have to make it available to the stakeholders. Then another objective was to know the financial position of the business. Financial position of a business means what is the status of the business on a particular date or on a particular time. How the business is growing, or as compared to its competitors, how far it is, or what is its growth rate. All those is meant by the financial position. So by doing the various accounting transactions, by interpreting the results, we get to know the financial position of the company. Okay, so these are the objects of accounting. Next, we can move on through bookkeeping and accounting. What does that two terms mean? Accounting, we have already discussed. What does it mean? Accounting is the art of recording transactions and classifying, summarizing and making results and interpreting those results to the users. So accounting is actually a wide term, and this bookkeeping is just a term which is included in accounting. It is a subset of accounting. So bookkeeping, as the name suggests, bookkeeping means recording of transactions in different in different books or in different records. That is what is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping means keeping proper or amped records for each transactions or events. So bookkeeping is just a part of accounting, and accounting is a much wider term which covers more transactions. Whereas bookkeeping is just a part of accounting, which means proper books and records have to be maintained and proper data have to be entered in those books. That is what is bookkeeping. Okay. Then another concept related to accounting is GAAP or GAAP. What is GAAP? GAAP means, the abbreviation of GAAP is Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. Okay, so that is what is GAAP, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. This means some general rules we have to follow in the process of accounting. There are different procedures or different types of accounting. So all these are governed by separate or established rules. That is what is meant by GAAP or GAAP. The established rules to prepare, to how to prepare proper accounts or records. That is what is GAAP. This GAAP is again divided into three, that is accounting concepts, accounting conventions, and again accounting standards. These are all different standardized rules or procedures which we have to follow in any type of accounting. So GAAP means Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. It means different set of rules or procedures which we have to follow while preparing different accounting techniques or while applying different accounting techniques. This GAAP is again divided into accounting concepts, accounting conventions, and accounting standards, which we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.